Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today and for joining me in Pootles Advent Countdown. Oh, I love this series so much. 24 projects coming out to you, 2 a week all the way through until Christmas, and this is today's one. It is the easiest Christmas cracker you will ever make. It is so easy. There are no toilet roll tubes inside. There are not complicated additional tools or anything like that. I'm going to show it to you. Super easy. So, to make one of this size, you need a piece of paper that's 8 by 8.5 inches, 20 by 21 centimetres. And we're going to score on the long side first. Let me find my stylus. And you're going to score every 2 inches at 2, 4, 6 and 8. And if you are metric, you're going to score every 5 centimetres at 5, 10, 15 and 20. Then onto the 8-inch side, the 20 centimetre side, score it at 2 inches and 6, which is 5 and 15, and that is it for our scoring. So I'm going to grab a bone folder. Honestly, this is just so easy to make, and I saw it on one of those videos. They start doing the rounds on Facebook and TikTok and what have you about how to wrap a Christmas present, and it's this, you know, super artistic way of wrapping a present, and it's like, no, I've got 4 children, lots of parents and everything, and that ain't ever going to happen. So yeah, it was on one of those, and I thought, well, that's really clever. So what I've done is I've concertinaed it really just to get it folded up. So I want it so it is 2 inches 5 centimetres, and I'm just going to get my ends where the score line is and bend them backwards and forwards a bit. Okay, so fold it over and get a hold of it, and then get some big scissors, and you're going to go from about, not quite halfway down, but about a third, okay, about a third of the way down, not fully to the centre, but almost. So that's quite the chunk. Turn it round and mirror up what you did before, and I need a little bit more off that one, so I'm just gonna, you need a little bit there, not too much, but obviously you don't want to go completely, and then do the same over there. So you could measure it if you wanted to. I have yet to measure it. I've only ever eyeballed. That looks a familiar shape, doesn't it? Looks like a big bow tie. Right, so I'm going to unfold it, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my liquid glue. I feel like I'm using liquid glue ever such a lot at the moment, and I'm going to put a little bit down on this loose tab, a little bit down on there, a little bit down on there. And when you fold it, because we went with equal measurements, you can just push it straight down. It doesn't need to be hovered in the air or anything like that. Okay. So that's done. And I'm going to let that dry for a second and do a little bit of stamping. So this was the painted Christmas paper, and I've got Christmas season that goes with it because I want to put some little holly berries and holly leaves, and we've got dies to go with those. So I'm going to take my holly leaves and my holly berries. I need those, I need those. And this is Real Red and Garden, oh, is that Garden Green? Ooh, we'll go with Garden Green. No, we're not. Should we go Shaded Spruce? Or shall we go Evening Evergreen? Evening Evergreen and Real Red. And let's get some blocks ready. It's my little holly berries. Oh, and my holly leaves. And I've got some washi over here. So I'm just going to de-stick that a little bit. So I want it to hold the die in place, but I don't want it to stick too much to the images. And then my lovely mini cut and emboss. Oh, it's my favourite tool, I think. Love this thing. Run that through. And those should pop out without issue. Yes, one has popped out without issue. There's another. And thankfully, those all stay together. Can you imagine manhandling all those little holly berries? That would be no good. Okay, so hopefully this should be ready for me to build up. Yeah, that's fine. Now, so obviously you can see it's made the shape, and when you push it in like that, oh, you get the shape. So let's get some ribbon. Ooh, which ribbon? I'm going to get real red this time. Oh, threw it at myself. When you pull it all together, it gets the shape. So tie your bow, just like that. Pop your treats in. You could put all sorts in there. Tie the other end. Let's find out where my knot went. Over there. Trim off the ends, and that, how easy was that cracker to make? So easy. So easy to make and just charming. And then all I want to do now is get some glue dots and stuff, and these are the gold holly leaves. These are lovely. I hadn't used these, and then I saw them on a video that Patty Bennett, well, it was a project she did, I didn't see the video unfortunately, and I thought, oh, they're lovely. Oh, I've not used them, best use them quick. So, oh, I don't know that I want 3. Oh well, I've got 3 out now. But yeah, I'd bought them and not particularly looked at them. And then I saw them on a project that she did, and I don't remember what the project was now, but I can just remember thinking, oh, I've got those, I've got to use them, they're fab. And another one on there. Just add the gold, and this one. And then that on there, and those are lovely crackers. No, there's no snaps and there's no hat in there, but that would make a lovely gift. Good tree gift. Super easy to make. Hope you like it. If you make one, please share a photo with me. Pootles Craft Forum, you can see that there. You can email them pictures to me. I would love, love, love to see your pictures. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.